Hello everybody. There are plenty of good videos on YouTube showing why you need sometimes to replace the damper device of an alternator, because all the belt and the tensioner is start to wobble at idling speed. So the aim is not to repeat what can be found on excellent other videos on YouTube, but maybe to show you what's not found so easily is how to remove the puller, because it can be sometimes a rather difficult exercise, lack of space, and things, since the thread is clockwise, every time you start the engine the puller tends to stick even more on the shaft of the alternator. So my video will try to show you how I did it successfully. Out, one bolt with bracket, one bolt and nut, and you take the alternator out of the engine bay.